Hey everyone, so in this video I'll be making a door for my pizza oven, which I really need. So I'm going to start off with some cardboard to get the profile of the doorway. This technique was shown to us in mechanic school to make gaskets on engines, but it does work well in this situation as well. So by lightly tapping on the cardboard against the doorway edge, you'll be able to get a profile. As you can see over here, we do have a slight profile of the doorway, and I'm going to go ahead and start cutting from this point and checking if it fits in. It will need to be smaller than the actual doorway so that you can fit your door in and out easily. I'll be making the door out of wood and metal, and for the metal I have this old heater which we were about to throw away. I'm going to use the back panel of this heater to make the front part of the door. I'll remove all the things with inside and all the wiring, and then just basically get the outline done. So I've gone ahead and removed all the bits and parts from inside, and I'll be using the cardboard template to get the profile of the doorway and then cut the metal out. The metal part that I've cut out of the back panel does need tidying up a little bit, so I'll be using a grinder to remove the sharp edges and just neaten up the whole thing. So this is the wood part of the door. I'll be using the same cardboard template to get the profile outline done, and then I'll just cut it out with a jigsaw. So these are the two parts done. I'll be joining the two things together with some screws. I'm just going to go ahead and drill some holes into the metal and secure it with some 1/2-inch screws. So next I'll be making the handle for the pizza oven door. I'm using some scrap pieces I had left over, and the door handle will be quite big, which will allow the door to stand up on its own. So once the handle is attached to the panel, the pizza oven door is complete. So this project worked really well. The overall door stands on its own and fits into the pizza oven well. Just to protect it from the weather, I did give it a coat of paint, but the overall project is really good. I hope you liked it. Please click like and subscribe below.